hit the stop button. So we're going to cut the filter open. Right, y'all. So as you can see, this whole process, start to finish, is probably going to take me about 20 minutes. And that's with my unnecessary dissection of the filter. So if anybody's thinking about the car and they think they are impossible to work on, this hopefully will show you otherwise. So you basically swap out the O-ring on the filter housing here. So one pointer, the threads on the filter housing. I've actually cross-threaded them before on a BMW. I caught my mistake before I did any irreversible damage. But they got big old chunky threads on them. So you just got to make sure that you're started right before you go back in. Because if not, well, it really wouldn't be the end of the world. You just get a new housing, a new one of these, or a cap. It's just a pain in the butt because you got to order it and all the other stuff. So just take your time and you'll be fine. But I guess that's true with anything on a vehicle. When you rush, when you make mistakes. Alright, so here's a baffle on the filter. As you can see, no metal, no plastic, nothing shiny, nothing in there that shouldn't be in there. Just nice and dark diesel oil. Man, this thing's falling apart. Getting my knife all dirty. When I first started doing this, I would cut this apart with a straight razor without a knife. Man, that's a pain in the ass. So, if you feel like cutting your filter open, go buy a $10 knife. So here's more of the baffles. Everything is clean. So if we had any metal or plastic, they would be caught in the filter, which is why I do this video. You'd see them down there. And as you can see, we got someone is calling me from Gastonia, North Carolina, who I'm sure I do not know. Alright, so there you go, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.